Starting a business without a plan is like setting sail without a map. You're bound to get lost. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to create a business plan that sets you on the right course for success. The goal of this video is to help you understand the essential elements of a business plan so that you can confidently create one that guides your business to success. Let's start with the executive summary. This is a snapshot of your business. Think of it as your elevator pitch, what your business is, what you're selling, and why it matters. In 1 to 2 paragraphs, capture the essence of your business. This section is crucial because it's often the first thing that potential partners or investors will read. Next up is your business model. This section answers the question, how will your business make money? Will you sell products directly to customers? Offer subscription services? Or maybe you're planning a B2B model. Be specific about how your business will generate revenue. Now let's talk about marketing plan. How will you reach your target audience? Whether it's through social media, email campaigns, or in-person events, your marketing plan should outline the channels you'll use and the strategies to attract and retain customers. Finally, we have financial projections. This part of the plan should give a clear picture of your business's financial health. Include projected income, expenses, and profits for the next 3 to 5 years. This not only helps you stay on track, but reassures investors that you've done your homework. Now that you have the blueprint for a strong business plan, it's time to put pen to paper. Use the free business plan template I provided for you in the description area. Don't let the idea of a business plan intimidate you. Use it as a tool to set your business up for success. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more business tips. And also don't forget to share it with someone who can use a little bit of guidance on their entrepreneurial journey.